Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your 10th standard mathematics chapter. The name of the chapter is the probability. See, in the previous video lecture we have seen what is meant by event. Okay, the set of favorable outcome of a sample space is called as an event. आपल्याला एक सॅम्पल स्पेस दिला असेल वॉट एव्हर इट कॅन बी, जे काही रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स असणार आहेत त्यासाठी आपण एक सॅम्पल स्पेस एस लिहिणार आहोत. त्या सॅम्पल स्पेसमधून आपल्याला काही फेवरेबल कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाईड करणारा एक सेट लिहायचा आहे आणि त्या सेटला आपण इव्हेंट असं म्हणणार आहे. ती इव्हेंट आपल्याला दिली असेल त्यावरून आपण सेट लिहू शकतो. नाव प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.3 इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस ओनली. ओके, इज बेस्ड ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इव्हेंट. खूप इझी आहे, पे अटेन्शन. It's on page number 121. See question number 1. Write sample space S and number of sample point ns. Suppose we write S. Sample point is number of elements present. Sample space is called as sample point. And then what we have to write? Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B and n of C. Okay, that's what we want to do. So see the question number first. One die is rolled. Question number 1 is one die is rolled. If one die is rolled, we have to write the sample space for this. We write sample space as S. It is denoted by omega also. Okay, this is a Greek letter I have told you earlier. So S is equal to, in curly bracket, if one die is rolled, what are the possibilities, what are the possible outcomes? It is 1 to 6. ठीक आहे, जर आपण एक डाय रोल केला, ठीक आहे, जे आपले सापशिडी और लुडो वगैरे असे गेम खेळण्यासाठी आपण डाय यूज करतो, तो डाय जर आपण रोल केला तर त्याच्या जे आउटकम्स असणार आहेत ते काही असणार आहेत नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 6. ओके, कारण जे त्याचा अप्पर फेस असणार आहे त्याच्यावर जो नंबर येणार आहे त्याची आपण पॉसिबिलिटी बघतोय. मी डाय रोल केला त्याच्यावर 1 येऊ शकतो, और 2 और 3 और 4 और 5 और 6. सो आपण इथे सॅम्पल स्पेसमध्ये पॉसिबिलिटीज लिहितोय त्या काय असेल 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. ठीक आहे, नंतर आपल्याला काय लिहायचं आहे, नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स. व्हॉट इज सॅम्पल पॉईंट? या सॅम्पल स्पेसमध्ये जे इलेमेंट्सची संख्या असणार आहे, द नंबर ऑफ इलेमेंट्स प्रेझेंट इन द सॅम्पल स्पेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉईंट. मग ते कसं लिहिणार, एन ऑफ एस इज इक्वल टू हाऊ मेनी इलेमेंट्स आर देअर इन सॅम्पल स्पेस 6. सो एन ऑफ एस इज इक्वल टू 6. दॅट्स इट, दॅट्स द थिंग यू वॉन्ट टू डू. देन आपण इव्हेंटकडे वळणार आहोत. ओके, दे हॅव गिवन अस दी 3 कंडिशन्स, इव्हेंट ए, इव्हेंट बी अँड इव्हेंट सी. वी विल फर्स्ट लुक फॉर इव्हेंट ए. See what is event A? Even number on the upper face. Okay, so what they want, even number on upper face. Now we can write event A in the set format. Okay, in curly bracket we always do write set in the curly bracket. If you remember, we have seen this set chapter in the 9th standard. So even number on upper face. Which are the even numbers are here which will come on upper face? These are 2, 4 and 6. So we will write 2, 4 and 6. Now we have to write n of A, that is number of elements present in the samples event A. How many elements are there? 3 elements are there. So n of A is equal to 3. Okay, that's it. Now we will write for event B. इथे आपल्याला इव्हेंट ए, इव्हेंट बी म्हणजे काय, तर काही पर्टिक्युलर कंडिशन्स दिल्या आहेत. त्या कंडिशनसाठी आपल्याला सेट लिहायचे आहेत अँड द नंबर प्रेझेंट इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर सेट. सो नेक्स्ट इज ऑड नंबर ऑन अपर फेस. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हॅव राईट इवन नंबर, नाव ऑड नंबर ऑन अपर फेस. सो वी विल राईट इट ॲज सेट बी. ऑड नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 6 आर व्हॉट? ऑड नंबर्स आर first is 1, 3 and 5. These are the odd numbers. So 1, 3 and 5 हे odd numbers आहेत. हे आपण set B मध्ये लिहिले. So now we have to write n of B. How many elements in set B? There are 3 elements. So n of B is equal to 3. Now we will write for event C. refer your textbook. They have given us 3 events in the question itself. Okay, so event C is prime number on upper face. Prime number on upper face. Now you should know what are the prime numbers, what are the odd numbers. This is, you have learned this in 5th standard itself. So see, prime numbers are what? If you have known, the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 6. So n of C, how many elements are there in set C? 3. So that's done, that's we have to do. Okay, one die is rolled is the question, and they have given us the 3 events. This is 1, 2 and 3, and we have to write sample space and n of s for it. If one die is rolled, sample space will be what? ते असणार आहे 1 to 6 नंबर, n of s असेल 6, कारण यात टोटल 6 एलिमेंट्स असणार आहेत. नाव त्यांनी आपल्याला 3 कंडिशन्स, 3 इव्हेंट्स दिले आहेत. इव्हेंट ए, बी, सी. इव्हेंट ए आहे इव्हन नंबर ऑन अपर फेस, इव्हन नंबर आहे 1 to 6 मध्ये 2, 4 and 6. So n of a is equal to 3. n of a म्हणजे काय? नंबर ऑफ इलेमेंट्स प्रेझेंट इन ए. ओके, इव्हेंट ए. Now event B is odd numbers on upper face. odd number कोणते आहेत? तर 1, 3 and 5. So n of B is equal to 3. And event C, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So n of C is equal to 3. That's it, we have to do this only. So copy down the answer, solution, or if you can solve by your own, that's amazing. Please go ahead. We will move towards the next question. See the question number 2. 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. If 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, then we have to write the sample space. S आपण लिहिणार आहोत, sample point ns, आणि त्यानंतर इव्हेंट ए, बी, सी आपल्याला दिले आहेत. त्यासाठी सेट्स लिहून n of a, n of b आणि n of c आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. Please refer the textbook, then only you will understand the question and solution too. So 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. यासाठी सॅम्पल स्पेस आपण लिहिणार आहोत. सॅम्पल स्पेस इज डिनोटेड बाय S, कॅपिटल S. So S is equal to, in the curly bracket, 2 dice are rolled, so it will be 1 and 1. We are writing possibilities on the upper face, you know. So it's 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now 2, 1. On the first die, the upper face will be 2 and second die will be 1, 2. It can be 2, 2. It can be 2, 3. It can be 2, 4. It can be 2 and 5. It can be 2 and 6. Okay. Now first die will be 3, second will be 1, first will be 3, second will be 2. There are so many possibilities. 3, 3. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, again 4, 1, here 4, 2, 4, 3. This chapter is very easy. If you will study logically and you will keep in mind just such small tricks, then this is so easy for you, and this will give you the out of marks in your examinations. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, it's 5, 5, 5, 6. Now if upper face can be 6, 1, it can be 6, 2, it can be 6, 3, it can be 6, 4, it can be 6, 5, it can be 6 and 6. That's it. Okay, this is the sample space S for the 2 dice are rolled. जर आपण 2 dice roll केले तर सॅम्पल स्पेस काय असणार आहे? 2 डाईसचे अप्पर फेस वेगवेगळे असणार आहेत. फर्स्ट डाईचा अप्पर फेस 1 असेल, दुसऱ्या डाईचा सुद्धा 1 असू शकतो, 1, 2 असू शकतो, 1, 3 असू शकतो, अप टू 6, 6. दोन्ही डाईस 6, 6 अप्पर फेस असू शकतात. ओके, these are the possibilities, these are the favorable outcomes for 2 dice are rolled. This is sample space S. Now we have to write NS, that is number of elements in the sample space. ठीक है, how many elements are there? There are total 36. So NS, number of sample points in the sample space are 36. Okay, we have written this sample space for 2 dice are thrown or rolled. This is so much of easy. You have to keep in mind in this sequence itself. Okay, 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 3, like 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 4 1 4 2 4 3 5 1 5 2 5 3 6 1 6 2 up to 6 6. You have to keep this sequence in your mind and that's it. Okay, so for 2 dice are rolled आपण सॅम्पल स्पेस लिहिला, सॅम्पल पॉईंट आहे 36, हे टोटल 36 आहेत, you can count. So now event A is what? The sum of the multiple of 6. ठीक है, sum will be multiple of 6. sum काय असेल? multiple of 6 असणार आहे. ओके, so now we will write set A for this. sum 6 यायला हवे, multiple of 6. आता 6 चे multiple काय असणार आहे? 6 and 6 12 24 all the 6 चा टेबल. ओके, सो बघा 5 plus 1 1 plus 5 is 6. ओके, so in bracket we will write 1 5. next will be 2 and 4. next will be 3 and 3. okay, then next will be 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. The summation for these two numbers will be multiple of 6. Then it's again 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 also. And then again 6 plus 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is the multiple of 6. 6 2 जा 12. ठीक आहे, 12 12 हा 6 चा मल्टिपल आहे. 6 into 2 is 12. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 6 12. These all are the summation of these numbers is the multiple of 6. So we have written these numbers in set A. How many numbers are there? Like we have to write n of A. So how many elements are there in set A? So there are total 6 elements. So n of A is equal to 6. That's it. Now next, event B, sum of digits on upper face is minimum 10. Minimum 10, maximum can be more than 10. So should be minimum. Keep in your mind, minimum is at least it should be 10. It can be more than 10 also. So we have to write set B. Set B is equal to, in curly bracket, don't miss out that curly bracket, it should be 10. Okay, so 4 plus 6 is 10. So we will write 4 plus 6. Then next is 4 plus 6. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 5 plus 6 is 11, which is greater than 10 probably. Then 6 plus 4 is again 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. And the 6 plus 6 is 12. So all the summation of these two digits are minimum 10. Okay, minimum 10 is 10 and greater than 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is it's 11. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So we will write n of B, number of elements or number of points in B. How many are there? There are total 6. So n of B is equal to 6. Now we will write for event C. For event C, prime number on the same digit on both upper faces. Okay, there should be the same digit. So we will write set C for this same digit. It is 1 1, then 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. We will write that 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. It's 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6. That's it. So n of C, that is number of elements present in set C, these are 6. So This is question number 2. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, एकाच वेळी जर दोन डाईस रोल केले, आपण थ्रो केले, तर त्याचा सॅम्पल स्पेस आपण लिहिला. देर आर नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल पॉईंट्स 36 आहेत इलेमेंट्स या सॅम्पल स्पेसमध्ये. आपल्याला 3 इव्हेंट्स दिले आहेत, नेम्ड ॲज इव्हेंट ए, बी अँड सी. फॉर इव्हेंट ए इज सम ऑफ मल्टिपल ऑफ 6. द 2 digit the sum will be multiple of 6. So we have written this n of a is 6. The sum is minimum 10. Minimum 10 is 10 and more than 10. So we have written the sample space, set B over here. So n of B is 6 and same digit on both the die on the upper face of the both die is event C. So we have written event C and here is also n of C is equal to 6. This is question number 2. If you want solution, you can pause the video and copy down, otherwise you can solve by your own. We will move towards the next question. Just try to understand it completely. We will move towards the question number 3 from your practice at 4.3. Question 3. Coin especially that head sample space लिहायचा आहे, नंबर ऑफ आणि कंडिशन आहे फॉर इव्हेंट ए, बी, सी. त्या कंडिशन साठी आपल्याला सेट लिहायचे आहेत. ओके, लाईक अर्लियर क्वेश्चन्स. सी three coins are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins are tossed. Suppose 3 coins are tossed, then we have to write the sample space. What will be the sample space? It will be H, 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 head, head, head. We are tossing 3 coins, so we are writing the possibility of upper face. तीनही अप्पर फेस कॉइनचे एच असू शकतात, हेड असू शकतात, किंवा मग अजून काय असू शकते बघा, 2 हेड्स आणि 1 टेल असू शकतं, दॅट इज एच एच टी. आफ्टर दॅट एच टी एच असू शकतं, फर्स्ट हेड असू शकतं, सेकंड टेल अँड थर्ड अगेन हेड असू शकतं. देन टी एच टी, फर्स्ट टेल, सेकंड हेड, अगेन टेल असू शकतं. आफ्टर दॅट it can be T, H, H, it can be tail and remaining both coins are head and it is it can be T, T, H and it can be T, T, T. Okay, so this is the sample space for 3 coins are tossed. C, H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, T, T, H, H, T, T, H and T, T, T. There are total 'n of S is equal to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 1 is removed. C, H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, T, T, H, H, T, T, H. Then it can be H, H, T. So see H, 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 T, T, H, T, T, H. Okay, so H, T, T. There are total. Okay, if 3 coins, there are total 8 possibilities. If 3 possibilities are H, 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 T, T, H, H, T, H. We have written the number of sample points, they are total 8. The number of elements in sample space is called as sample point. It is written as n of s. So n of s is equal to for to get at we have to get at least 2 heads. So we write set A for the given condition. We have to get at least 2 heads. It can be more than 2. Right. Then next next is HHT. There are 2 heads. We need at least 2. Here are also 2. HTH. Then again here is 1. It is THH. That's it. So see, event A is given. The condition for event A is there should be at least 2 heads on the upper face. Okay, 3 coins are tossed. Among them 2 must be head. Okay, so we have written 2 must be at least 2. So it can be 3 also. So HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT. Sorry, THH. So n of A, that is number of elements present in sample space A, it is 4. Okay, there are 4 elements. Now event B. So here we will write, see, we have to find the element which will not contain a single head in it. So it is the only one, that is TTT. Okay, it does not consist any head in it. So TTT. This is the only element. So n of B, that is number of elements present in set B, these are 1. Okay, so for event B, n of B is equal to 1. The condition is there should be no head at the upper face, and there is only one element, that is TTT. All the upper faces are tel. Third one, event C. Second coin. Now you can search out in sample space. Head on second coin, A, 4, second, third, fourth. Okay, these 4 are there. So H, H, H. You can see there is head on the second coin. Then HHT. You can again notice head on the second coin. Then THT. You can again notice head on the second coin. And THH. You can again notice head on the second coin. That's it. This is set C, and n of C, that is number of elements present in set C. These are 4. So n of A is equal to 4, n of B is equal to 1, and n of C is equal to 4. Okay, that's it. Just make sure you should write the sample space very correctly. If one single element will be remain, whole your solution will be flopped. Okay, so please do remember, you will write the sample space very correctly. Today we have seen your practice set 5.3, question number 1, 2 and 3. The remaining 3 questions you will solve at home. See, question number 4 is 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition of digits. The sample space for this, okay, I will write here. The sample space is, I am just telling you how to write it. You don't have to repeat the numbers, which are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to make the 2-digit numbers. So 10, 12, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0. You can write numbers as like this. Okay, total 13 numbers. Okay, you will get sample space for question number. They have given us some digits and we have to write them without any repetition. We have to